Welcome. In front of me is a TCL NXTpaper 60 SE, and today I'll be showing you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I'm going to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to also get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. And no matter which way you're going to go about it, all you need to do to start off is hold your power button, select power off, and when the phone turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. In a moment after you see the TCL logo, you can let go of the power button but keep holding the volume up. And this will redirect us to the recovery mode. There we go. In here, using volume buttons to navigate, so you can press up to go up and down to go down. You want to select wipe data, factory reset, and then confirm it using your power button. Then select factory data reset. It will tell you that it's formatting data, and once it's finished, it's going to give you, there we go, data wipe complete message, and reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once more to initiate the reboot, and this will continue resetting your device in the background, which will take probably up to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.